The Supreme Court dealt former President Trump a legal blow after declaring he is ineligible to be on the state's primary ballot and is ineligible to be president. The move sets up a legal challenge that's expected to make its way to the U.S. Supreme Court. Skylar Henry reports.
The Colorado Republican Party says it's pulling out of the primaries and will hold a caucus instead. It's a reaction to the Colorado Supreme Court ruling that former President Donald Trump is ineligible to run again in the Centennial State, citing the Constitution's insurrection clause, which states that no person shall be able to hold office if they have engaged in an insurrection or rebellion.
Governor of Florida, Ron DeSantis.
Trump's primary opponents say the left are trying to rig the election.
They're doing all this stuff to basically solidify support in the primary for him, get him into the general, and the whole general election is going to be all this legal stuff.
Trump is planning to appeal the decision to the highest court in the land.
We're likely to get a decision from the United States Supreme Court sooner rather than later.
President Biden said he would not comment on pending court cases, but he had no problem weighing in on one of the central questions of the case.
Is Trump an insurrectionist, sir?
Well, I think certainly it's self-evident. You saw it all. Now, whether the 14th Amendment applies, I'll let the court make that decision. But he certainly supported an insurrection.
Trump's actions on January 6th are at the center of a federal court case scheduled to go on trial in March.
In announcing its intention to appeal the Colorado Supreme Court's decision, the Trump campaign called the ruling, quote, completely flawed. Hundreds of